welcome to StudyTube. In the previous video, we have learned about base or radix of number system. So, if you have not watched the previous video, just click on I button to watch that video. Now, today you will learn how to find base or radix of a number. You will learn this topic by solving some questions. So here is the first question. What are the possible base r for a number 254? Here, a number 254 has a base r and we have to find the possible value of r. First of all, we know that if base is r, then what are the digits? Digits are starting from 0 and goes up to r minus 1. If the base is 10, then what are the digits? Digits are starting from 0, 1, 2 and it will goes up to 9. If the base is 2, then the digits are 0 and 1. So here we can see that always the base is greater than any value of digit. Here in the base 10 system, you can see every digit is lesser than base. Here in base 2 system, you can see that every digit 0 and 1 is lesser than the value of base. So we can conclude that the base is greater than any value of digit. Now we move to the question. Now in the question, we have to find the maximum value of digit in the number 254. So what is the maximum value of digit in 254? That is 5. So we can say that the base will be greater than 5. So we can say that the minimum radix or base should be 6, but it can be 7, 8, 9, 10, any number greater than 5. So the minimum value of the base should be 6. From here we can conclude that the possible value of base r should be greater than or equal to 6. So it can be 6 or it can be greater than 6. So this is the answer for this question. Now we move to the next question. Now in this question, we have a relation of two numbers. Number 32 has a base 10 and number 44 has base r, and we have to find the base r. For this type of question, first of all, we have to convert all the numbers in radix 10. Then we have to put all those radix 10 number in that equation, means in this relation, and we have to find the base r from the equation. Now the question is how to convert in radix 10. Here ABC is a number in base r, where A, B and C are 3 unique digits in base r. First of all, we have to take the rightmost digit, means C, and multiply this number with r to the power 0 or 1. Then we will move towards left, and B will be multiplied by r to the power 1 and A will be multiplied by r to the power 2. So as it goes towards left, the digit will be multiplied by ascending power of r and all the value will be added. This number ABC in base r in radix 10 will be equal to C multiplied by r to the power 0. It will be added with B multiplied by r to the power 1, and again it will be added with A multiplied by r to the power 2. So this is the radix 10 of number ABC in base r. So this is the process how you will convert a number in base r to radix 10. Now coming back to the question. So here 44 has base r, so we will convert this 44 in base r into radix 10. So first of all 4 will be multiplied by r to the power 0 and it will be added with 4 multiplied by r to the power 1. It will be equal to 4 plus 4r. So 44 in base r is converted into radix 10 and that is equal to 4 plus 4r. Now we have another number 32. 32 is already in base 10, means radix 10. So it is equal to 32. Then we will write the relation again. 32 base 10 equal to 44 in base r, and we will put the value of those number in radix 10. So 32 will be equal to 32. So in place of 32 base 10, it will be equal to 32. And in place of 44 base r, we will put the value 4 plus 4r. So 32 equal to 4 plus 4r. And we have to find the value of base r. So from this equation, we get the value of r equal to 7. So here answer is 7. Now the next question. In this question, there is again a relation 1 to 1. This number has base r, and 144. This number has base 8. So the same process. First of all, we have to convert those numbers in radix 10. Then we have to put the value in this relation and we have to find the base r. First number 121 base r in radix 10 equal to rightmost digit 1 will be multiplied by r to the power 0 plus 2 multiplied by r to the power 1 plus 1 multiplied by r to the power 2. So that is equal to 1 plus 2r plus r square. Now the next number, 144 in base 8 in radix 10. So rightmost digit 4 will be multiplied by 8 to the power 0 plus 4 multiplied by 8 to the power 1 plus 1 multiplied by 8 to the power 2. So that is equal to 4 plus 32 plus 64, that is equal to 100. Now we have to put those values on the relation and we have to calculate what is the value of base r. So in this relation we'll put those values. So 121 base r in radix 10 is 1 plus 2r plus r square, that is equal to 144 in base 8 equal to 100. Now we will solve this equation. R square plus 2r minus 99 equal to 0, and after solving this equation we will got r equal to 9 and minus 11. But the value of base can't be negative and can't be 0. It should be positive value. So here one number minus 11 is negative and one number 9 is positive. So the answer will be 9. Now the next question. Again we have a relation 142, a number in base r, equal to r2, a number in base 10, and we have to find the value of base r. Here in the left hand side the r is base of number 142, but in the right hand side r is a digit. That digit is in base 10. So r value should be less than 10. Now the same process, 142 whose base is r, will convert this number in radix 10. So the rightmost digit 2 will be multiplied by r to the power 0 plus 4 will be multiplied by r to the power 1 plus 1, it will be multiplied by r to the power 2. That is equal to 2 plus 4r plus r square. Now the second number r2, that is in base 10. So that is equal to rightmost digit 2, that will be multiplied by 10 to the power 0. Here the base r is 10. So in place of r, it will be replaced by 10. So 2 into 10 to the power 0 plus the digit r, it will be multiplied by 10 to the power 1. So that is equal to 2 plus 10r. Now we will put those values on the relation and calculate the value of r. So here is the relation. We'll put those values. 142 in base r equal to 2 plus 4r plus r square, that is equal to r2 in base 10, that is equal to 2 plus 10r. Now we will solve the equation. R square minus 6r equal to 0. So r will be common. R dot r minus 6 equal to 0. So from here we get two results, r equal to 0 and r equal to 6. But we know the base can't be 0. So here the result will be 6. So here the base is 6. So in the second number r2, r is a digit that is belongs to base 10. So r should be less than 10. Here that condition is also satisfied. Okay. So in this question the answer will be 6. Now the next question. Here also a relation 25 plus 60 equal to 115. And we have to find the base for the whole relation. Means all the number 25, 60 and 115. All the number belongs to base r. So we assume the base is r. And we have to convert those numbers in radix 10. So 25 in radix 10 will be 5 multiplied by r to the power 0 plus 2 multiplied by r to the power 1. That is equal to 5 plus 2r. Now the next number 60 in radix 10 will be 0 multiplied by r to the power 0 plus 6 multiplied by r to the power 1. So that is equal to 6r. Now the last number 115 in radix 10 will be 5 multiplied by r to the power 0 plus 1 multiplied by r to the power 1 plus 1 multiplied by r to the power 2. So that is equal to 5 plus r square. Now we will put those value on the relation and we will calculate the value of r, and that will be the result. So this is the relation and we will put those values. In place of 25, 5 plus 2r, in place of 60, 6r, and in place of 115, 5 plus r square. Now we will solve the equation and we get r equal to 0 and 7. And we know that the base can't be 0. So the result will be 7. Now the next question. Here also a relation 12 divided by 2 equal to 3. And all those numbers in any particular base. So again we assume the base is r. So 12 in radix 10 will be 2 into r to the power 0 plus 1 into r to the power 1. So that is equal to 2 plus r. Second number 2 in radix 10 will be 2. And the third number 3, that is in radix 10 will be 3. As r to the power 0 means 1. Any number multiplied by 1 will be that number. Now we will put those value on the equation. So 12 divided by 2 equal to 3. In place of 12, 2 plus r. In place of 2, 2. And in place of 3, that is 3. So we will solve the equation and we got the result r equal to 4. So this is the answer. Now the next question. In the next question, there is also a relation. Here root under 44 equal to 8. And we have to find the base of this relation. Here also we assume the base is r and we have to find the value of r. So root under 44 in radix 10 equal to root under 4 into r to the power 0 plus 4 into r to the power 1. So that is equal to root under 4r plus 4. Now the second number 8 in radix 10 will be 8 into r to the power 0, that means 8. Now we will put those value on the equation. So in place of root 44 we write root under 4r plus 4, and in place of 8, that is equal to 8. Now we have one side root under and one side is normal number. So we have to square on both sides. So after squaring on both sides, we get 4r plus 4 equal to 64. So we got the result r equal to 15. So here answer is r equal to 15. So I hope in this video you understood how to find base or radix of a number or a relation. In the next video, you will learn how to add two number in any base. So if you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe the channel for more this type of content. Thank you for watching.